Are you looking to find your perfect design idea? This video is perfect for you.
Perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
If you are the first time here and you love design, hit the like button if you like the video so far.
Experience the mind-expanding powers of acid. It's psychedelic, baby. That's what it's all.
Do you want to design your space like a pro? We have developed a document containing all the important information you need to know before designing your house. Visit our website, designercheatsheet.com.
Perception are distorted. He becomes confused, and he displays irresponsibility and perceiving things that don't exist in objective reality.
Support this channel with a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.